at an English fair. One evening I was there when I heard a showman shouting underneath the flare. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. There they are standing in a row. Big ones, small ones, some as big as your head. Give 'em a twist, a flick of the wrist, that's what the showman said.
Most original idea ever. Dear Pantsman, you never update. Yep, I know. Bite me. Why you no update? I have been revenging upon you now? What the hell? Obviously this is the work of Dr. Van Kruglor. Only a mind such as his could come up. Oh wait. Not Kruglor. Huh. That must be an egregious error. Ooh, uh-oh.
Oh, look who thinks he's clever, Dan. What are you trying to do, man? Get out of here!